Bangladesh is a country located in South Asia, bordered by India to the north, east and west, and Myanmar to the southeast. Its history dates back to the ancient kingdoms of Bengal and has been influenced by Hindu, Buddhist, and Muslim cultures. In terms of culture, Bangladesh is known for its traditional dance and music, as well as its festivals, such as Pohila Boishakh, the Bengali New Year, and Eid ul-Fitr, the end of Ramadan. The country is also home to many historical and religious sites, including the Lalbagh Fort, the Mahastanga ruins, and the Dakshwari Temple. Bangladesh cuisine features a blend of spices and flavors, with dishes such as pita, rice cakes, dal, lentil soup, and biryani, a rice dish with meat and vegetables, being popular choices. In terms of technology, Bangladesh has been making strides in recent years, particularly in the fields of software development and IT services. The country has also been investing in renewable energy, including solar and wind power. For tourists, Bangladesh offers a variety of attractions, including natural beauty such as the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world, hill stations like Sri Mangal, and historical and cultural sites like the Baitul Mukarram National Mosque and the Ahsan Manzil Palace Museum. Overall, Bangladesh is a rich and diverse country with a fascinating history, a thriving culture, delicious food, and many opportunities for adventure and exploration. In addition to the aforementioned attractions, Bangladesh is also home to several World Heritage Sites, including the ruins of the Buddhist Vihara at Paharpur, the mosque city of Bagarat, and the Mahastanga archaeological site. For those interested in wildlife, the country boasts a variety of habitats, from the tropical forests of the Sundarbans to the hills of Sylhet, where visitors can see species such as the Bengal tiger, saltwater crocodile, and hoolock gibbon. When it comes to tourism infrastructure, Bangladesh has made improvements in recent years, with an increasing number of hotels, restaurants, and transportation options available for visitors. However, some areas of the country can still be challenging for tourists, and it's recommended to plan ahead and exercise caution, especially in remote or less developed areas. For those who love adventure and outdoor activities, Bangladesh has much to offer, including trekking, rafting, and kayaking. The country's scenic beauty, diverse landscapes, and friendly people make it an ideal destination for those seeking an off-the-beaten-path travel experience. In conclusion, Bangladesh is a country with a rich cultural heritage, diverse natural beauty, and many opportunities for adventure and exploration. Whether you're interested in history, culture, food, or the great outdoors, there's something for everyone in this fascinating and vibrant nation. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. We're always working hard to bring you the latest and greatest videos, and your support helps us keep going. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a beat. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.